Guys, I have some big news, breaking news. It's our 10-year anniversary. How hungry are you? Big hungry? 5 hungry? Nom, 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 nom. You can eat a cow. When it comes to the bazaar, you do not want to get here before 4 o'clock. As you can see, a lot of the shops are closed. What are you doing, Sido? What are you doing? Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Thanks so much for watching the video. In today's video, we're gonna show you some cool things to do in Doha, Qatar. So first thing we're gonna show you is ride the boat, the wooden boats. First thing we're gonna show you. The second thing we're gonna show you is the Souq Bazaar, which is right here. And you see the minaret right behind me for the masjid next to it. So we're gonna show you the bazaar. And then the next thing we're gonna show you is Banana Island important information. So those are the things we're gonna show you, and there's some few more things in the end as a bonus. With that said, let's get started. Guys, I have some big news, breaking news. It's our 10-year anniversary. 10 years, I've survived. That's like 40 years in real marriage. I'm kidding, it's 10 years. You excited, Sarah?
Yeah.
How you feel?
Good.
She just got her first gray hair last week. That's pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
One gray hair. I got like 50 of them. It's very, very hot for sure, and I'm wearing black. Not a smart idea. All right, guys, so we are right in front of the Pearl. This is a very popular spot, amazing place to take pictures because you get a picture of the Pearl and then the skyline of Doha. It's definitely a large size Pearl for sure. All right, let's go get some pricing on the boat and see where it takes us. Alright guys, so the boats, let me give you information. So we started out at 140 for the whole family, and I know that's a rip-off because it's 10 local currency per person, and they start at usually at 40 per person, so make sure you don't pay anything more than 10. That's the maximum amount you should pay. Now when it comes to a boat, they're allowed 10 people max, so they'll charge you 100, the lowest for boat, but we got the whole thing for us for 80 local currency. We got the whole boat to ourselves, and it's gonna be about 30 to 45 minute ride. So let's see what happens. You guys are excited?
Yeah. Yeah.
Old boat.
We sit just this. Everything is dirty.
Dirty?
Yeah, just we sit here.
I miss my dog.
Sito's like, you're too heavy, Baba. Go on the other side. Sito, boat flip over? Life jacket? Is there a life jacket here? I don't think there's a life jacket. No life jacket. Hold on to the couch, sofa. That's a life jacket. From where we took off, guys, to what I'm about to show you, the hotel right here, you can ride it with a scooter. It literally took me like 30 minutes with a scooter to get there, which is pretty cool. And you get to see all the buildings close by. So definitely highly recommend doing a scooter ride. So yesterday, that's where we were. We have a video on that one. Doha Port with the colored buildings. So definitely check that out, really cool area. We're coming up on the famous World Cup Island. A really nice breeze, really nice weather, nice breeze. Looks like they make a U-turn around the island, man-made island for sure. Pretty cool, definitely worth the ride. Nice ride, comfortable, amazing views, amazing breeze. Definitely a awesome ride. Alright guys, with the boat ride done, I want to tell you some important information about the Banana Island Resort. So it's right next to the Pearl, so let me show it to you. So it's this building right here. So that's where you come to ride the boat. It's a 30-minute boat. It'll take you to the island. The island is man-made and natural. There's a resort on it. Now, you don't have to go to the resort to spend like $400 a night. That's the lowest cost is $400 a night, and it goes as high as $6,000 for a 4-bedroom villa. So pretty expensive. But what you can do is you can do a one-day pass. This is $350 local currency, which is $95. And then with that pass, you can go there for all day. They'll pick you up from here, take you with a boat to the resort, bring you back same day at the end of the day. Now, while you're there, you get $200 to eat at restaurants, and then you get 50 local currency for any activities like jet skis and stuff like that. So you spend $350, you get $250 back, which is pretty cool, and that's per person. Kids are discounted, but there's no credit for those. I wish we could do it, but we don't have much time to go. But I watched a couple of videos and it looks pretty cool. So hopefully you get to do it and enjoy it. And if you do get to do it, definitely comment below. Let us know how was it. Next on the list is the Souq Market, aka the bazaar. So it's one of the coolest places to go to. Now we've been here, we came here first day without a camera. So with that said, let's go to the bazaar, let's go to the Souq Market, let's show you what that place looks like. And it's located right across from the Pearl. Alright guys, here's the name of the Souq Wakif. Now there's underneath bypass to cross the highway to get to the Souq, which is pretty cool. All right, guys, just like that, we're back above ground and heading to the Souq. All right, guys, so I was wrong. This is not a mosque masjid, but the government building. I thought it was a masjid because of the moon on top, honestly, but it's not. It's a government building. It's some kind of Islamic education building. So not a masjid. Do not go there, knock on the door. Here is the Souq. We're gonna get something to eat first because we're hungry, and then Souq is gonna get busier towards 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. It gets really busy. So that's when we're gonna get in and show you all the spots about it. All right, guys, when it comes to the bazaar, you do not want to get here before 4 o'clock. As you can see, a lot of the shops are closed. So a lot of them open up at 4 o'clock. All right, guys, so we came to this Iraqi restaurant in the Souq, Iraqi restaurant. And then you have, Egyptians, Moroccan, there's a Turkish, the blue right there. So whatever country you want, you pretty much have the foods here. This is an Egyptian, the next one is Moroccan. A lot of shishas. So with that said, let's go in. Here's the mafia. What's up, guys? You hungry, Sira?
Yeah.
How hungry are you? Big hungry? 5 hungry?
Okay.
Nom, 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 nom. You can eat a cow or chicken? Chicken? The building is really cool. It's like it's made out of old clay. And even the roof, it's the old style. All right, guys, we got our food. We got our kuzi with 2 different rice. Second kuzi, okra and beans, fasulya and kebab. And the bread. All right, let's dig in. Let's go, baby. All right, guys, so let's taste the kuzi. It's like falling off the bone. The rice is good, kuzi is good, the bread is really good. The soup is amazing. Let's taste the kebab.
I help you.
There. Oh, there. Thank you, Mara. Kebab is better. They're both good. The kebab tastes really good.
Me too. This is both good.
All right, guys, with lunch out the way, the Souq is starting to open, so it's almost 4 o'clock. So with that said, let's show you what this place looks like. Here we go, a bird market, Marwa's favorite. Welcome to a bird market. Wow, so many birds. Birds, rabbits, cats, duckies. One of the things that you'll notice, a lot of side streets, so there's still a lot of restaurants here, and there's one that's in the end that I really like. I've had for breakfast. It's really good. The people that you see on the horses are actually police officers of the Souq. So this is actually the police station right here, Qatar police. As you can see, it's a lot more busy now. This place is even more busy at nighttime. That right there, guys, you see is the famous gold thumb. So they still have tailors in the shop where you can buy your whatever colors, materials you want and take it to a tailor, and the tailor will design the outfit for you. Something like this or whatever style you want. When it comes to prices, guys, here, this is actually pretty cheap from a pricing perspective, but don't forget to negotiate. Pretty much any Muslim country you go to, any Malaysian country you go to, definitely negotiate and bring a lot of cash. So now we're into pots and pans, house items, kitchen items. Sarah's favorite. She's gonna go in and then cry coming out. You're gonna go in, come back crying. Go look, Sarah. Go look. Go in, go cry, come back out.
No, I don't want to.
This is how it was back in the day, Marwa. This is how you carried basket. This is how you put your bread. And this is all handmade, Marwa. All handmade. It takes them days. Now we get into yard products, construction, landscape, garden, painting, electrical. Wow, this is a hammer. That's pretty.
What is this?
Look at that. This is a hammer.
It's too sweet. I'll try it. Fix my body.
Old school steps made out of clay and wood. And this is very typical household. This is what your guests sit on when they come to your house. This is very expensive stuff, guys. Trust me. It's all handmade, custom made. Very expensive. All right, we're back to where we started, right in front of the building. This is where the kids can ride a horsey, a donkey. I've even seen a camel in the end. Ice cream here and free restaurants. There's a camel. This is a male camel. The way you know it's a male, the mouth is covered because male camel is a lot more aggressive.
I want it.
Vay. Sen ne kadar güzelsin. Hadi görüşürüz Meryem. Kendine dikkat et.
Uh-oh.
Gidelim oyunu. Ha, iyi gidelim. Let's go. Al tamam, hadi görüşürüz.
Hi, Sino. Uh-oh.
Gel. Yakala. Aha. Gel. Ay iyi gidiyor.
Uh-oh. What?
Ay maşallah, sen ne kadar tatlısın.
All right, guys, so here's the bonus part I was telling you about. So when you are next to the Souq, right outside is you have a hop-on, hop-off bus place where you can buy tickets. So the pricing is $180, aka $50 per person for adult, and then children is $25. So it's hop-on, hop-off. It takes you pretty much all through Doha, shows you all the important information and all the important areas. Y'all know this person here? Show me the book, Marwa. Qatar. Alright guys, so one of the awesome things about Doha, Qatar is Uber. So you can literally just hire an Uber and it'll be there, and they are very quick. This is by far the quickest Uber rides I've had, like 8-10 times in a row. Literally, they'll get there like a minute or two every single time. So I don't know why. Maybe it's a smaller geographic area, but literally you wait 2 minutes max to get an Uber ride, which is really awesome. So now we're headed to a mall and show you what that place looks like. All right guys, so we're driving by next to the Grand Palace. This is where the royal family, this is one of their palaces. This is still the palace, like the palace still continues. That's how big this place is. It's even bigger on the other side where we drive at night. I'll show it to you. Alright guys, we are at one of the popular malls. You got Mall of Qatar and you have this one, so let me show it to you. The Villaggio Mall. So that's where we are right now. Alright guys, just finished a boat ride over here. It is definitely well worth it. The price is 10 local currency per person, so it's definitely well worth it. It's a lot cheaper than I expected. It's like $3.50 or so. So $3 actually. So well worth it. Definitely do it when you come by here by the mall.
Maryam, how is it? It's fun?
I need fun.
Maryam, Marwa, how is it? It's fun? It's not fun for me. It's fun for you guys.
Alright folks, we're end of our video, but with that said, don't worry, we have 2 more videos coming your way at the end of this screen that you can click on. With that said, thanks so much, and please don't forget to follow us.